Looks like a box, but it's a gift. Looks like a seat, but it's a trip. Looks like some sneakers, but it's a jump. Looks like a notebook, but it's his first novel. Looks like a mattress, but it's a spaceship. Looks like a door, but it's an opportunity. Looks like a car, but it's the future. Meler's a part of thousands of products and what they mean to millions of people. We love to be part of their smells like new. But what really makes us proud is helping all those things last longer and have a lower impact on our planet. That's why we've been finding the solution for every problem for more than 50 years. That's why we have learned to glue even better using half the amount of adhesive. That's why what started as a small European company has now a presence in more than 50 countries around the world. Looks like a lot, but it's just the beginning. Meler, gluing what matters.